Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an expression and we have to simplify it. So the expression is minus of 2x square plus 3x minus 4 multiplied by minus of x square plus 4x plus 2, and then we have plus 4x square minus of x minus 5. Now according to the rules of BODMAS, at first we have to carry out all the operations which is present within the pair of braces, and then we have to calculate the multiplicative operator, and finally we will calculate the positive operator, that is additive operator. So there are two polynomials present within the pair of braces and they are connected together with the help of a multiplicative operator. So what we have to do is, at first we have to individually multiply each terms present within the first pair of brackets with all the terms present within the second pair of brackets. So let's proceed further. So we have minus of 2x square multiplied by minus of x square, which will give us 2x raised to the power 4. Then minus of 2x square multiplied by 4x will give us minus of 8x cube, and minus of 2x square multiplied by 2 will simply become minus of 4x square. Now let's move on to the second term, that is 3x. So 3x multiplied by minus of x square will become minus of 3x cube. So let's write it below the minus of 8x cube term, so that while calculating the final equation our calculation becomes a bit simpler. That's it. So 3x multiplied by minus of x cube is minus of 3x cube. 3x multiplied by 4x will give us 12x square, and 3x multiplied by 2 will become 6x. And finally let's multiply the constant minus of 4 which all of the terms present within the second pair of brackets. So we have minus of 4 multiplied by minus of x square will become plus 4x square. Then minus of 4 multiplied by 4x will become minus of 16x, and minus of 4 multiplied by 2 is minus of 8. And then we have plus 4x square minus of x minus 5. So it will become 2x raised to the power 4 minus of 8x cube minus 3x cube will become minus 11x cube. Minus 4x square and plus 4x square will cancel out each other and we will have plus 12x square. Then minus of 16x plus 6x will become minus of 10x, and then we have minus of 8, and plus 4x square minus of x minus 5. So it will become 2x raised to the power 4 minus of 11x cube plus 12x square plus 4x square will become plus 16x square. Then we have minus of 10x minus x, which is minus of 11x, and minus of 8 multiplied by minus of 5, which is minus of 13. So ultimately we are going to have so this will be our final required answer. So upon checking the options are not matching. I think there is some mistake in the options, but our answer is absolutely correct. So this will be the final required answer, but since none of the options are matching with our answer, so the correct answer will be none of these will be the required final answer. Let's add another option over here. So option number E will be none of these. So none of these is the correct answer. So thank you and have a great day.